Techniglass has developed an exceptional adhesive specifically designed for glass-fusing artists called Papyros LiquiFuse. This adhesive provides a strong bond that is pure, colorless, and odorless. The pure formulation of LiquiFuse ensures that it will burn off entirely during the firing process without emitting unpleasant odors, leaving residue marks, or causing devitrification on the glass after firing. Papyros LiquiFuse glue is available in two different variations: LiquiFuse Thin Viscosity and LiquiFuse Gel. The applicator tip on a new bottle of LiquiFuse is sealed and must be opened before use. Unscrew the tip from the bottle and remove the red stopper cap. Then, open the sealed tip using a sharp craft knife to cut off 1/16 of an inch, 2 millimeters, from the tip on a slight diagonal. The diagonal cut will help to interrupt the drip when applying the glue later. LiquiFuse Thin Viscosity was precisely developed to utilize the process of capillary action, where liquids naturally flow into narrow spaces. This product is ideally suited for fusers who prefer to dry position their design elements on the project's base glass, then adjust those elements until they are satisfied with the design layout. Then use LiquiFuse Thin by strategically targeting a drop to hit the edge of a design piece without touching the glass with the applicator tip. The glue will instantly seep between the design piece and the base glass. That's capillary action in action. The other LiquiFuse variation is LiquiFuse Gel, which has a thicker viscosity. This product was developed for fusers who like to put a dab of glue on the backside of each design piece, then place and position them on the base glass. Press down to secure the design piece, and as some of the LiquiFuse gel oozes out from under it, do not worry. Papyros LiquiFuse products have a pure formulation that burns off during firing, without emitting offensive odors or leaving marks on the glass. You can intermix LiquiFuse Thin and LiquiFuse Gel in the same project. A very effective way to create a fuse glass design is to cut and shape the larger design pieces and use the LiquiFuse Gel to position and secure those pieces to your base glass. Then, place any smaller design pieces, such as stringers, noodles, vitricane, dots, frit, or any other design component. Then use LiquiFuse Thin Viscosity to secure these smaller pieces with strategically placed drops of the thin adhesive. LiquiFuse Thin is also an effective way to adhere a frit or stringer design to the base glass. Simply dry position the components, then saturate the area with thin LiquiFuse. The glue will trickle around all the frit, stringers, or other small design pieces, sticking everything to the base glass. The surface tension of LiquiFuse will create a short-term hold, allowing the design pieces to be adjusted for up to 15 minutes until the LiquiFuse begins to set. LiquiFuse is a temporary adhesive, meaning you can always move a design piece after 15 minutes or even after it has fully cured. However, if you do move a piece, you must reapply LiquiFuse to secure it again. When your design is complete, let it rest for 45 to 60 minutes to allow the LiquiFuse glue to cure fully. Then your fused glass masterwork will be secure and ready to be moved from your workbench to your kiln. Always remember to replace the red stopper cap on the applicator tip to prevent the glue from drying out in the bottle.